This is the AI News Flash for May 22nd, 1 p.m. UTC. First up, Bloomberg breaking news. The US S&P 500 index is on track for an 8th consecutive week of gains today, driven by an AI-led rally, marking the longest upward trend in 6 months. Institutional investor sentiment has decisively turned bullish, reaching a critical macro inflection point. Nvidia and Broadcom surpassed $5 trillion in market cap. TSMC posted record sales on 2nm advanced process. Samsung Electronics broke through $1 trillion in market cap. SK Hynix accelerated HBM4 mass production. Microsoft Azure AI business grew over 40%. Google Cloud announced Gemini Omni, and Meta expanded AI capex to $145 billion. Strong earnings across AI ecosystem confirm structural growth. Norway Sovereign Wealth Fund warned of 35% loss risk. Michael Burry placed $1.1 billion AI bubble short put. Bridgewater warned of dangerous phase, despite institutional caution intensifying. Hyperscalers, 4 companies, $725 billion 2026 capex boom reinforces structural AI demand expansion. Bull-bear divide sharpens, reaching critical watershed moment. Hyperscaler capex peak theory, AI infrastructure overinvestment concerns, ROI realization delays, Trump executive order withdrawal, U.S.-China AI export regulation, ongoing negotiations, geopolitical risks, compound backdrop, S&P 500 8-week rally positions as 2026 most critical macro turning point. Institutional investors enter full-scale selection phase. Decisive signal emerges. Second up, Google official blog, Gemini Omni, next-generation multimodal AI model officially released. The unified processing of text, image, audio, and video in real time marks a groundbreaking new generation foundation model. This is the headline announcement of Google I/O 2026 reaching a critical milestone. Gemini Omni natively integrates 4 modalities of text, image, audio, and video, real-time conversational multimodal understanding and response capabilities, successor to Gemini 3.1 Pro with 1.2 trillion parameters scale. Context window expanded to 2 million tokens. Developer API available immediately. Google Workspace integration monthly plan rollout. Android 1.5 billion user base full-scale deployment planned. OpenAI GPT 5.4 multimodal capabilities. Anthropic Claude Opus 4.6, Xiaomi Mimo V2 Pro multimodal, Mistral Omni in parallel general multimodal AI model supremacy battle, decisively intensifying phase. Fundamental architectural transition for AI models, symbolic milestone shifting from text-centric to integrated modality platforms. Gemini Omni establishes position as biggest beneficiary of hyperscalers for companies. $725 billion 2026 capex boom, Google Cloud AI business over 40% growth, TPU Ironwood 7th generation 1 million units adopted, Anthropic Claude key customer partnership, full-stack AI infrastructure dominance accelerating. AI model next generation multimodal era full-scale entry decisive signal. Third up, Google official announcement, SynthID AI generated content detection technology expands to Google, Search and Chrome browser, industry standard tool for detecting deepfakes deploys at scale. Comprehensive response to AI transparency requirements, era officially begins, critical initiative launched. SynthID, invisible digital watermark technology already embedded in Gemini-generated images, videos, audio, and text. Cross-platform detection in Google Search AI overviews results. Automatic identification and labeling of AI-generated content on the web via Chrome browser extension. Google Photos and Video AI detection feature integration with global deployment. Decisive standardization initiative against AI-generated counterfeit content proliferation. Billions of daily queries scale implementation. Merriam-Webster Dictionary, AI Slop 2025 Word of the Year. Google AI Overviews Publisher Click-Through Rate 61% drop. AI-generated deepfake revenge porn federal criminalization. Take It Down Act first prosecution. Grok AI Spicy Mode Sexual Image Generation FTC investigation. Pope Leo XIV May 25th AI encyclical scheduled. Global AI Transparency Regulation full-scale move symbolic milestone. EU AI Act August transparency requirements pre-enforcement U.S. Executive Order AI-generated content electronic watermark mandate preparation U.S. 27 states 78 AI chatbot safety bills review Google self-regulation industry standard formation leadership strategy clarification AI transparency accountability industry framework construction reaches decisive phase. AI governance full-scale global new development signal. Fourth up. Fortune magazine detailed analysis. Microsoft launches high-stakes comprehensive strategy to win back lost AI lead. CEO Satya Nadella and AI chief Mustafa Suleyman drive three-pillar full-scale initiative. Enterprise AI market supremacy. Battle reaches decisive juncture. Symbolic case study unfolds. Microsoft AI win-back three-pillar strategy. First pillar, proprietary frontier model development. OpenAI give-take review reduces dependency significantly. Second pillar, Copilot 365, Enterprise Agent Force comprehensive AI agent integration across all product lines for differentiation. Third pillar, Azure AI infrastructure hyperscale expansion with $190 billion 2026 CapEx budget, largest ever AI-driven growth acceleration initiative. ChatGPT, 900 million weekly active users. Google Gemini, 750 million monthly active users, dominant user bases. Anthropic Claude ARR approaching $30 billion. Meta AI app, 60.5 million downloads, rapid growth contrast. Microsoft AI Azure 40% growth. Copilot 15 million paid seats. Enterprise AI market supremacy battle intensification. Silicon Valley 4 giants MAFGM AI ecosystem dominance structure transformation milestone. Microsoft establishes position as top player in hyperscalers 4 companies. $725 billion 2026 CapEx boom. OpenAI $50 billion cloud contract strategic partnership continued. Anthropic enterprise customer contract wins. Agentic AI implementation, enterprise AI adoption, full-scale momentum. Microsoft AI-driven growth, next-generation leap, 2026 enterprise AI. Most critical turning point signal. Fifth up, HR executive detailed report. Cisco Systems and Standard Chartered Bank latest companies to cite AI explicitly as layoff driver in official statements. Corporate mass layoffs transition beyond AI washing controversy into genuine AI-driven employment reduction full-scale phase. Decisive milestone reached. Symbolic case study emerges. Cisco CEO Chuck Robbins announced 4,000 layoffs from full-scale AI agent operations. Networking products automation, troubleshooting, sales and marketing operations, AI agent replacement. Standard Chartered CEO Bill Winters' AI-driven 7,800 layoffs by 2030, back-office workforce over 15% reduction plan. Low-value work AI substitution statement clarifies management strategy direction. Latest case in this trend. HSBC 20,000, Morgan Stanley 2,500, Commerzbank 3,000, Block 4,000, Accenture 550,000 AI training, JP Morgan 200,000 LLM usage, Citigroup Anthropic partnership, Goldman Sachs Claude financial AI agent core deployment, financial and tech industry AI-driven layoffs exceeding 158,000 structural trend acceleration, AI full substitution economic validity debate intensifies phase. Gartner 95% AI pilots fail to reach production. Deloitte 47% enterprises hallucination-based decision-making. Forrester 55% rehiring regret survey. AI washing layoff debate intensifies. Treasury Secretary Besant Bank AI cyber defense convenes. California Governor AI worker protection executive order. Goldman Sachs 300 million worldwide AI automation impact prediction. 2026 midterm election AI employment policy top issue elevation certain. Critical milestone. That's all for this AI News Flash.